My name is Honore Gatera, manager for the Kigali Genocide Memorial. The Flame of Remembrance is a symbol of remembrance, courage, and the resilience of the people of Rwanda. It was lit for the first time in 2004 at the Kigali Genocide Memorial, when Rwandans were remembering for the 10th time and commemorating the genocide against the Tutsi. This Flame of Remembrance is lit here as we remember through 100 days. Traditionally in our country, when a family loses a member, there is always visits from the neighbors, from the friends, from the relatives, to comfort and mourn together with the family that has lost someone. And all the gatherings in the evenings happen around the fire. So we've done this flame to make sure that we remember, we comfort our friends and the relatives who lost their beloved one in 1994.